So three ways in which you can start documenting your knowledge if you're a team leader. And in the AI enablement context, of course, the more you codify, the more you document, the better it is for your team and for your company. Okay, so the first way is team workflows within the AI Central panel, the dashboard. And here I'm just taking an example of a SEO reporting workflow. And like as a team leader, you would, and I'm taking the example of SEO, but this is in the context of any kind of work which happens in a professional service environment. Things, especially around reporting, new recommendations, the best folks in the team are the team leaders, the domain experts. So you have a certain way of doing it, right? And that it's important to document it as step one, step two, step three, step four. And you will see that once you start doing it, the first important thing here is that if you keep on improving this workflow, this becomes the brief for a agent around this, right? So and the agent may not cover all the tasks, but may cover 80% of the tasks, And the other bit here is that you have done the workflow for one particular scenario, for one particular client. Now, if this has to be repeated some other client, what a team member can do is just like sometimes some changes that we made, and then this can be run for a different client, right? So that's with respect to the process. You're documenting the process which is involved in deliverables, right? So that's the first way in which you would look at codifying your knowledge. The second would be prompts. Remember, in a lot of cases, when you start improving the prompts, then those prompts, that becomes the main prompt which is used in any kind of agent, right? End-to-end agent. So it typically starts with prompts. So making sure that you have good prompts, and which at AI Center you can always edit prompts and you can have various versions of those prompts. So that is a great way of codifying your knowledge. You can save it with specific and you can share it with specific team members so that they can start using it. And third, but is the knowledge base, right? And this is especially for the third is the knowledge base, which is basically, in a professional service environment, would be client-specific review, client-specific ICPs, brand guidelines. So that's really the knowledge base. So yeah, those were the things. Basically, just to sum it up, so there are three ways in which you can start documenting your knowledge as a team leader. The first one is the process knowledge, the series of steps that are required for a certain output, and we have to call it the team workflows. The second bit are the prompts, and this is as there are a lot of one-off tasks for which prompts are useful, and these prompts can then become the core prompt of advanced agents, which your teams can use. And this can be a journey, right? So, and this is always a journey. So after a couple of months, it will be in the form of an advanced agent. And the third bit is a knowledge base, which is the set of documents which any agent will use, any team member will use. That's the third bit. Right. So that's how you go about documenting the knowledge on AI side. Thanks.